When looking at career advancement opportunities in project management, one must consider that there are fundamentally three different career models. First, there is the leadership career, then the specialist career, and finally the project-related career. The leadership career is what one typically understands as a career. So you move from team leader to group leader to department head and so on. Project-related career models are only found in large companies that have already engaged deeply with the topic of project management. You then have levels that are often tied to certifications or experience. And you can advance, for example, from junior project manager to project manager, then to senior project manager, and then to project director, or whatever it's called in the companies. So those are project-related career models. The advancement opportunities for project managers are more company-specific, and therefore not entirely predictable, but rather very specific.